Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would take you along with me to see what's new at the Dollarama. So if you want to see what's new, please keep on watching. So here we're in the outdoor slash barbecue aisle, and you can see they have these really cool plate caddies, and they have a wide variety of barbecue. 'Tis the season. They have these silicone mats, which are really good for grilling or for baking, and you can see a variety of barbecue supplies. They even have these really cool kits to display your hamburgers or hot dogs, and it even comes with the paper, so it looks like you're eating at a diner. So cool. Now these aren't new, but they are super handy for picnics, for just going to the park, the beach. They're so great. They just fold up, keep them in the trunk of the car, and they're ready to go, and they're so easy to clean up. I actually have a couple of those myself. And check out these aprons. May not be the best quality, but they're super cute for the barbecue season, and they have different sayings. Adorable. They have these new citronella candles, and I'm just loving the packaging this year. Look at this one with the palm leaves. It almost reminds me of a Bath and Body Works candle, but it's citronella, so it's nice to place outside. It looks nice too. Again, these coming up are not new. These are the freezy holders, and you find them in the barbecue aisle or the outdoor aisle, and I know a lot of people were on the hunt for those last year, so those are great. There's 4 in a package, and they're great for DIYs as well, or for loot bags or party bags, what have you. And these little popsicle makers are really cool too. They have Minnie Mouse, Paw Patrol, the Spider-Man here. Really nice popsicle makers. And they have just your plain everyday ones as well. You could put some fruit juices, make a healthy snack out of it. These 4 package of goblets coming up, they're so pretty. They actually look like glass, but they're not. They're plastic. Sorry, I said 4, they're 3. So pretty when you're outdoor entertaining. And these trays, oh my goodness, they're so pretty. I love flamingos. On Instagram, these were a hit. It was one of those start the car moments. People were on the hunt for these. Now I'm absolutely loving these. Look at these little Buddhas, and they're solar lights, and they have like that coppery bronzy finish or just your plain cement finish. I'm in love with these. So pretty. All the Canada Day merch is out, so if you're looking, now's the time to buy it because they are fully stocked, and they have so many things to choose from and such cute things. Look at this sequence blingy hat. If you're into bling, this is the hat to get. The mirrors, they have this beautiful canvas art. I'm just loving this, the black and white stripes with the gold accent. Very Kate Spade-ish, in my opinion. A lot of outdoor fun activities for the kids, for the pool, anything to do with water. Here they have this Bluetooth portable speaker, so that's great if you want to listen to music outdoors. Haven't tried it, but I have one similar. And these earpods case are really good. These are a rare find, so I did buy one of those. They just keep everything so neat and you know where everything is. Especially if you go to the gym or if you go to work, just pop it in your purse. Great item. And here they have the FIFA World Cup glass for Brazil. They have, I think it's 3 glasses. They're collectibles, so that's a nice little find there as well. They've also put out the Father's Day mugs and Mother's Day mugs and just beautiful mugs in general. These are super cute for a barbecue party, and they're actually glass, so they're really good quality. This was new to my Dollarama. It's to mix your oil and vinegar, or whatever you use for salad dressing. And it's out of glass, so I thought this was really neat and handy to have. These superhero sippy cups, or whatever you want to call them, are really cute. Those were new to my Dollarama as well. These are really cute for the kiddos. They're zip-in blankets, and they're only $4. They had 2. They had this pattern right here, and they also had a pinkish one, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there's the pink one right there. So those are really cute. They're almost like sleeping bags. So for little sleepovers for the little friends, how cute are these? In the pet section, they had the little baggies for poop, and they actually had a little poop emoji to hold the little baggies. I thought that was cute. Quite a selection of hair care products. They now carry the Batiste, which is quite more expensive at a regular retailer, and they also carry the Tresemme dry shampoo, and they also carry the L'Oreal Root concealer. So that's great finds at Dollarama as well. Another great find is this Nair hair remover. Actually comes with a sponge as well. These retail for a lot more than $4 at your local retailer. Even your local discount store, a lot more than $4. A lot of great items in the baby section. My Little Pony Sippy cups. This is really cute. It's the reusable squeeze me where you can put food in there, and it's reusable, so that's really neat. And this is really cute to take pictures. It has the different months. And here's a Gerber product. So again, name brand products. Peppa Pig right over here. They even have potties for kids. They have a compact light up mirror, which is really, really cool for $2. Not sure how good the quality is, but that's neat to have in your purse or gym bag. They also have this huge bottle of Dollarama brand Micellar Water. Again, don't know how well this works, but Micellar Water I use all the time. They also have this As Seen on TV product. It's a clipper with a light, I believe. And they also have this pedicure set. They are so stepping up their game with these notebooks. Absolutely, I love them. Even if they're not used to write in, I just love them to put on a coffee table. They're so, so pretty. And the sayings are just gorgeous. Look at these Hello Kitty basketballs. They're so cute. This is more of a miniature version, but the other one was a full size. So adorable. I guess this would be Dollarama's version of a Hatchimal. Now, come on now, who wouldn't love slime in a toilet? I know someone who would actually, believe it or not. Well, this concludes this edition of Shop With Me and What's New at Dollarama. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I was able to show you things that you may have not known are there. And again, if you saw something, now's the time to grab it, because once it's gone, it's usually gone for good. So again, thank you so much for watching, and like always, I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone, have a wonderful day.